gonna make it?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Alright.
Thank you guys again. Sorry.
Well, I think we push in on this. I got a trigger.
Dang.
Be that fucking guy. Yeah. We do have flyers. Oh, they opened the door? Did they get out?
Oh, behind us. Someone just shot me in the head.
Oh, yep. Yeah. There's one. Where the fuck are you guys camping at? In that boat? That's crazy.
Raider.
Damn, I wish I had a defib right now.
Yeah. We'll take cover in that hut, I guess.
They got me again. Fuck.
Oh,
Oh shit.
what?
You're gonna have to pick me.
Yep, they're pushing. Crawl to me? Oh.
Just stay where you're at. I'll crawl to you. It's fine. Nope.
Alright.
Nice.
Hey, switching to your second anvil is quicker than reloading.